So today I'm going to be changing out, I guess if you want to call it, your drive shaft on my Honda TRX 350 2000. It's called a Fourtrax here in Canada, Rancher I think in the US. And the reason I'm changing it out is my boot is all ripped and I know I've gotten dirt in here, so I'm just going to replace the whole thing. So let's get at her. So I'll have to undo this bolt. I don't think I have to take anything apart from here. I have to break this lower control arm and this upper control arm, if that's what they're called. So you gotta undo the nuts. And then you gotta pull them apart. They're really tight in there. And then once I do that, I should be able to pull this shaft right out. I think it sticks in there, but it'll pop out. And then I just slide the new one in, which is right there in a box. I sure in heck hope I bought the right one. Right here. Oh, that box is awfully long. Sure looks right. So that goes into there. This goes from here to here. Yeah, looks like the right one. I think I changed this, I don't know what you call it here, where everything connects to the back of the hub. The hub where the drive shaft comes in and your two upper and lower A-arms. I think I changed this out 2 years ago or 3 years ago. So maybe these will break easily. Guys, I'm not even sure if I was recording there. So we got that upper control arm and lower control arm, or A arms. Got this end out by just shifting it and moving it here. Now I got to pop this end out. I'm going to go from the other side with the pry bar and hit it with the hammer. And I think it'll pop right out. I hope. I think it's out, eh? Just like that, folks. Just like that. All right. Like that. Pop that out. Ah, there. All right. Okay, that looks like it's in the right spot. Let's flush. And she's in. I believe all the way. Yeah. All right. Well, this has gone a lot easier than I thought it was going to. Yes. Yes. We got it. We got it. There we are, boys and girls. There we are. Well, kind of. Let's get these in together. Alright, got that one started. Yep. Do it this way now. We do it this way. Looks good right there. Front bolt, and we are done. Snug that up. Don't kill it. All right, there we are. New drive shaft in. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.